What a crazy 24 hours in the overall crypto market. And I want to talk specifically about Shiba Inu, give you guys a price prediction, and give you the consensus of what I'm seeing in the overall market, and also a price prediction for Shiba Inu, a Shiba Inu price prediction. Here we go. Okay. So with that said, right now SHIB is up about almost 6%. Okay. In the last 7 days, you can see that we had a little bit of a dip, we had a little bit of a sell-off, and now we're coming back from that. So what you're also seeing is some pretty significant volatility, but not in a massive range, all the way from a high of 1234 down to 1036. So really not, it looks much worse on the chart than it is, but there is some volatility. But it also is trading within that range, kind of that 10 to 12 range. Again, it's in that channel. Okay, now with that said, here's what's happened in the last 36 hours. What we've had build up is we've had the market move down in anticipation of the Federal Reserve decision. We got the Federal Reserve decision. It was in line with what we were expecting, 75 basis point raise, and the market completely shook off and absorbed that raise and just said, okay, that's what we were expecting, so thus we're good. Okay, so the market did not knee-jerk reaction down. I thought it might, and I was talking about that in videos. I was talking about that to keep you guys aware so that you're aware of what could have happened, the volatility. Sitting in this chair, that's what I try to do for you guys, is at least give you both sides of that coin so that you're prepared and you kind of know what may or may not happen and the reasons for that. Okay, so with all that said, again, we've had a major move up of 7+%, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are rallying. Now, the final piece of this equation, we got the Federal Reserve decision yesterday. We just talked about that. We were waiting on the GDP report, the Gross Domestic Product report for the United States. We got that this morning at 8:30 Eastern time, and that was less than we were expecting. We were expecting about a decline of about 1%. We got a decline in GDP of about 0.9%. And so therein lies the reason that crypto did not react negatively there, because the GDP report wasn't as bad, the gross domestic product. So the economy's not constricting as much as we thought it would. Okay, so this is being viewed as positive. Finally, what we have is back to the Federal Reserve. Chief Chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, in his comments about their future rate hikes, alluded to the fact that we may be in the worst of it right now, meaning that it could be getting better, that inflation right now, we're in the worst of it, we're in the peak, if you will, and that we might be getting better, and so future rate hikes may not be as aggressive, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, a lot of stuff to cover, but what it ends up being at the end of the day from a SHIB price prediction standpoint is that I fully expect SHIB to continue to roll up and roll along with the market. So from a price prediction standpoint, we've already hit that kind of 1-2 range. It's entirely possible that we can get back to 1-2, okay, and as well as maybe kind of a 1-3, 1-3-1-4 range. That's kind of a short-term price prediction. If this rally continues, and right now it's on fire. I mean, we are on fire. You got buying going on across the board. Okay, again, Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the story, but look at this. As far as the 24-hour gainers, look at ETC, Ethereum Classics on fire, Synthetics, Uniswap, Lido DAO. All these things are moving up dramatically. Okay, but Bitcoin and Ethereum, you know, I watch them very, very closely, and we just got that going on. That's what I got for you. As always, thank you. I'll see you later. That's your price prediction. See you. Bye.